So Matt, again, we're here at MANN Hummel today. We're going to talk about some of your products. Just, you know, what are they and where do they fit in the marketplace?
Welcome again to MANN Hummel. Yeah, today we're going to talk about some of our product ranges, and we're going to go a little bit more technical today into the products and what's different about our products compared with some of our competitors in the market, and why you should choose MANN Hummel. So I would say, firstly, one, the aesthetics of our unit. All the machine tool manufacturers have upped their game, and machines look really nice. You want something in fitting with that as well. So with our machines, they look clean, crisp, they've got nice curved lines. I think they look brilliant as one. And with these units, we touched base on last time about the energy efficiency of them. So I'll quickly open it up. So inside, everything's built in. So inside here, you have your energy efficient motor, a super energy efficient motor. And it's IE4, we have some IE5 rated as well. So it's all about energy consumption and bringing that down within your factory. And some companies talk about plug and play auxiliary equipment. They're not really, but ours is. So on the side of this unit here is your 10-pin Harting plug, and it's all connected to our control unit. So it's literally, you can plug that straight into your machine, hit your on button, and away you go, extraction. You've got it on your machine. There's no complicated wiring to go with it.
So how about actual filter cartridges themselves? It can be quite cumbersome on some units.
Yeah, so when you look at the systems themselves, they look very similar, but we've designed ours slightly different. We have a pivoting system here. So when you actually go to change your cassette, then just pull it up, you pull the other one forward, and then it's a lever system, and that pulls your cassette forward. And you break that seal, so it makes it very, very easy to change your cassette. Mm-hmm. You're not kind of wrapping your knuckles or trying to jiggle the cassette out. It's done it for you. So changing a cassette, you could do this system within a minute. And within that minute, I've connected, I've gone on LinkedIn, I've liked your post, my post, and I've done loads of things. It's that simple. You can change it very, very quickly.
And you talk about energy consumption, and it's something that we should probably concentrate on. MANN Hummel, huge green credentials, but looking at energy consumption, we know what's happening with prices at the moment in the press. You know, it's very important. How do you achieve such an energy efficient unit?
So we started off with the fan set we talked about, but then where the kind of, to control that, as standard, we fit our Microtron. And our Microtron's a frequency converter that controls the flow of air going through the unit and the speed of the fan itself. So when it's installed, you have the requirement that you need of airflow within your system. That is set up, and you'll always get that. It's a bit like cruise control. We set it up, and you'll only get that as and when needed. So in this system, when they're all clean, you don't need that fan speed to pull the air through. When it blocks, it will speed up as and when needed. So you're controlling how much energy you use when you use it. But also, you can connect this to your machine. So if you've got certain jobs that you want to increase your extraction for, you can control it from your machine at the same time. But because we've got a connection, you can put into your machine, you can use your spare M codes to ramp your fan up or ramp it down as and when needed. And the benefit of that is you're prolonging the life of the filters at the same time. You're not going full speed all the time, which will saturate your filters. So you're prolonging the life of the filters, using less energy, and having the right extraction all the time within your machine enclosure. So it's a win-win for customers. And also, our units have the added benefit. We have the sump at the bottom of the unit, so you don't have a canister on the outside. So you can have quite a lot of literage in the bottom before you can pull it out. But also, we fit ours now with a return pump, and that return pump works on a sensor. So when you have a certain literage of oil at the bottom, it'll pump it back into your system. So you plug these in, you're getting cleaner, and you forget about them. It's as simple as that. You don't have to worry about any spillage.
And if we move across to some of these other units, it's important to talk about your UK manufacturing credentials as well.
Yeah, so all these are manufactured in the UK. So this is one of the smaller units, and this does 600 meters cubed an hour on a stand for a small machine tool enclosures, exactly the same technology, just in a smaller unit as well.
So Matt, big unit this one.
So this is one of our OEM units. It is one of our bigger units. It's still machine mounted, even though it's big because it's got a large air volume. But we also have a smaller unit as well, and that'll do 800 meters cubed an hour. And it will look exactly the same, just a baby size of it. But it's still got all the same technology as in our tower units that we looked at earlier.
Still energy efficient.
Still energy efficient. You've still got the microtron, that frequency converter to control that fan. You've still got the same technology of the filters in there and that system to take your cassettes out as well. And you've got the actual door that's very easy to open on a gas spring as well. So when you want to actually change the filters, it's just so easy to open as you can see. Easy as that, and then same technology inside to change your coalescer or your HEPA filter at the same time. And when you want to close it, you just touch the gas spring and push it down gently. But when you've looked at one Scan Mist MANN Hummel product, they've got all that same technology in, so it's easy to install, it's easy to maintain, it's just easy, and it's giving you the energy efficiency and the clean air that you require in your factory.